Honor has recently announced what will be known as the Honor Magic 8 Lite. We are referring to the Honor X9d 5G, which will be renamed in various regions. Following this, the brand has officially released this new mid-range device in Malaysia. Like all its predecessors, it is notable for its massive battery. In this instance, it has a capacity of 8,300 milliamps made of silicon and carbon, which according to the manufacturer provides up to 3 days of autonomy. Additionally, it supports fast charging at 66 watts and reverse charging by cable, allowing it to function as a power source. In terms of resistance, it will stand out remarkably. Just like its predecessors, it has achieved the industry's first SGS triple resistance certification. According to the manufacturer and the certification tests, it has withstood falls from heights of up to 2.5 meters thanks to its shock-absorbing frame. This is quite interesting. Additionally, it boasts IP66, IP68, IP69, and IP69K certifications, which offer protection against dust and water even under high pressure and at elevated temperatures. Its body is 7.76 millimeters thick and weighs 193 grams. So, despite being quite robust, it is actually very stylish. On the screen, we find an AMOLED panel that measures 6.79 inches with a resolution of 2640 by 1200 pixels, and it has a peak brightness of 6000 nits. In this section, it becomes quite outstanding. However, as is usual in this series, Honor tends to include very high features, while simultaneously having other sections where it becomes rather disappointing. For instance, it has a dual rear camera system featuring a 108 megapixel main sensor with an f1.75 aperture and optical stabilization, which is great. However, it's paired with an ultra-wide angle camera that's just 5 megapixels with an f2.2 aperture and fixed focus, making the camera setup quite basic. In Malaysia, the price starts at 1,499 ringgit, which is roughly $318 at the exchange rate. Keep in mind though, that prices here differ from those over there. Tell me, is the phone's resistance or battery more impressive?